How to find the best Samsung discount voucher or promo code. The very first thing that you can choose is you can also try this method for both gadgets like your laptop or maybe your phone. All you have to do is just to use any of the browsers available on your current device. For this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now in this video, I'm gonna be showing you for you to visit the site called Coupon Follow. So just head directly to your search bar and just type in couponfollow.com. Now this specific site offers or provides you a certain amount of discounts on any available platforms that the site offers. Now as you can see, there are Samsung voucher codes that you can use. Just head directly to your search bar so we can go ahead and have a wider options of Samsung promo codes. Now in here, just type in Samsung and just click on the link below. Now you'll be redirected to a new page which is gonna be a plenty amount of discounts that you can choose. So say for example you already have a option in mind, then once you have given out these kinds of offers that they providing us. All you have to do for you to use it is just to click on this blue link right here for you to be able to have a vision of the unique characters of the coupon code. And that's it. That's how you find the best Samsung discount promo code.